Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, where we help you develop skills that will serve you for a lifetime. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects almost everyone: crafting effective emails. Whether you're in the corporate world, freelancing, or even just communicating with friends and family, knowing how to write a good email is a skill you can't afford to ignore. The importance of email communication. Email is far from dead. In fact, it's often the first point of contact between you and someone you want to impress, whether that's a potential employer, a client, or a professional contact. A well-crafted email can set the stage for a productive relationship, while a poorly written one can leave a bad impression that's hard to shake. Components of an effective email. An effective email is composed of several key components. Let's break them down. Subject line. This is your first opportunity to grab the reader's attention. Make it specific, relevant, and concise. Introduction. Here, you want to briefly introduce yourself and explain the purpose of the email. Body. This is where you get into the details. Make sure to stay on topic and be as clear as possible. Closing. End with a call to action or a thank you note to wrap things up. Signature. Include a professional signature with your name and relevant contact information. Subject line tips. Let's talk about the subject line. This is crucial because it's the first thing the recipient sees. Make it specific to the content of the email, but keep it short. For example, if you're emailing a job application, a subject line like application for marketing coordinator position, your name, is clear and to the point. The perfect introduction. Now, for the introduction. Start by addressing the recipient by their name, if you know it. Then, introduce yourself and state the purpose of the email. For example, Dear Mr. Smith, my name is, your name, and I am writing to apply for the marketing coordinator position at, company. Simple, yet effective. Crafting the body. In the body of the email, provide any necessary details that will help the recipient understand your message. If you're emailing about a job, this could be your qualifications and experience. If it's a project proposal, outline the key points of your plan. Use short paragraphs for readability. Closing and signature. To wrap things up, include a call to action or a polite thank you. Then, end with a professional signature that includes your full name and contact details. And don't forget to proofread before you hit send. So there you have it, a mini guide to crafting effective emails. Mastering this skill can open doors and help you maintain professional relationships. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who could benefit.